On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the WhatsApp call. So, all what you wanna do is keep watching until the end. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, and then go to the WhatsApp app. Now this is the app informations and settings page. All what you wanna do here is click on notifications management, scroll down, click on more settings. It will take you directly to the WhatsApp app. Now all what you want to do here is make sure that all those options are enabled, especially the conversation tones and the use priority notifications and the reaction notifications. And then go back, and now all what you want to do here is click on this force stop option and then restart your phone, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.